Hi Restars, you're welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to set up your Alipay account. Alipay account is simply for payments. It is one of the paying apps that is generally accepted by Chinese, and this is what you use for paying for your goods in China. So Alipay account is very sensitive, and it's something that you have to pay key attention to. It's not something that you play with. Whatever information you're imputing in your Alipay should be legit. It's not a time to lie about your name, your location and stuff like that. If you do that, your account is going to be frozen, and once it's done like that, your money is gone. So you have to be careful when creating Alipay account. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Rachel. A lot of persons have been asking if I'm still into importation. Yes, I'm into importation, but the thing there is that my channel is not only all about importation. I also post how to start and grow your business both online and offline. I also talk about content creation and lifestyle vlog. That's the reason why you see mixture, but there is a playlist containing all importation videos. So if you come to my channel, just click on playlist and go to importation. That is where you have access to all the importation videos and nothing will interfere with it. So I'm still into the business of importation. I am a China importation coach with 5 years experience. I've been doing this 5 years straight non-stop. I train people on how to import from China. I also teach people on how to import from China. If you're looking for a verified exchanger, I am here to help you pay your suppliers. You send me money in naira or in your currency and I pay in Chinese. So I want to teach you how to set up your Alipay account. If you're having any other difficulty, if you want to learn China importation, you can reach out to me at Rachael Brian on the screen, and I will introduce you to my classes and how to do it. If you want free classes, you can check out my playlist on YouTube. If you want paid classes, you can send me a DM. If you want me to be your procurement agent, right, you can also send me a DM and I will give you my WhatsApp contact where we do the business together. Let me take you down to my screen where I'm going to show you practical tips on how to set up your Alipay account so you can start making payment to your Chinese suppliers. So what you need to do is to go to App Store, either your Google App Store or your Apple App Store. When you get to App Store, you type Alipay. It's a free app. There's the app over here. So I've already downloaded it. That's why you're seeing open. So you go ahead and download it on your phone. To click on Alipay, accept terms and conditions, click on agreed. That is if you've read it. Even if you don't read it, you see okay. You can allow notification, after which you look at the country code +86, change it to your country code, tap on it and search for your country. You can either type or you scroll to get your country. So I've selected Nigeria as my country. Go ahead and type my phone number without 0 in front. So I'll type my phone number and click on next. I click on agree to. Then a code will be sent to my number. That's the number you use for registration. It will be sent to you. So once it's been sent, you can go ahead and type it in. So right now you're logged in. Just select your country and you're good to go. All right, so this is your home page. You now have an Alipay account. This is your Alipay account created. We'll still come back to Alipay because it's for payment, but let's keep doing what we have to do here. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you were able to catch up how to create your Alipay account. For more information about China importation, you can check out my business page at Z+ Importation or Rachael Brian on Instagram, and you answer all your questions.